Welcome. Thanks guys, here we are back again. So as promised, this is part 2 of our introduction into Qigong. For those of you that maybe thought about it before but wasn't sure what it was really about, and so we're going to ease you into it really slowly. Think of it more as a bit of mindfulness and meditation. And as we progress, I'll take you through some more complex sequences, which we call medical Qigong. So to start with, last class we talked about how we move with the breath. The breath leads, so we're counting to 4, and then there's a microsecond as we change, so it's actually a count of 5. Now this is what we do when we're learning and when we're in a group situation. We start with that count and it keeps us moving together. But of course once you become familiar with the different movements, you can then do it at your own progression. You know, some days you might want to move a little bit faster and some days you might want to move a little slower. Sometimes in class we'll actually slow it right down and we'll be counting to an 8. And it's quite powerful when you have to slow your breath down to that pace, but still don't let your arm or your movement complete until that number, that count. And so let's go into the next movement. So we were just sitting down in the last class, and this one we're going to do it standing. So finding your posture is really important. So you want to even pressure through your feet. You want to make sure that you connect and that you're not rolling your knees in. So you don't want to pronate. You don't want to kind of roll. You want to be able to feel like a nice even part of your feet. Knees are soft, and then your tailbone is just going to be relaxing towards the earth. Shoulders are down. There's always a little space underneath your armpit, and you draw your chin in gently so that it's relaxed, neutral position. And then you're lengthening your spine like you're trying to touch the ceiling or the sky. Tongue's on the roof of the mouth, and that opens up your airways and relaxes your jaw. So this is just a general position, and then you're breathing in and out through your nose. Okay, so let's start with our moving of our arms. You're going to move them both together. This is the first move in the Shabasha sequence. It's an old traditional style of Qigong. So what we're going to do, and I'll take you through it, so we're going to breathe in as we raise our arms, and then we're going to breathe out as we bring them down. So let's start to count. Breathe in, raise your hands, raise your arms, keep your elbows soft. Breathe out and just sink down. Now there's a lot going on while you're doing this simple movement. As you breathe in, your whole spine and your body is growing tall towards the sky. And then as you breathe out, you're sinking, compressing towards the earth. At the same time, you're leading with your breath. So you're coming up, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it from the side. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. So I want you to practice that move. Remember, lead with your breath. We'll move into our next class. We'll start to talk about our Lagoon points. So the center of that palm, we're going to lead not only with the breath, but we're going to lead with those points. So this is where we start to really feel it become fluent, yeah, and a nice flow. All right, so I want you to practice that, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.